So, good afternoon to everyone. So, today we discuss about the morphological image processing in computer vision and image processing. So, what do you mean by morphologic and what do you mean by mathematical morphology? So, the morphology it is in a branch of biology. It deals with the form and structure of an animal and plants. So mathematical morphology is in a tool for extract the image components. So in previous classes we discussed about the steps for image processing. So the representation description is a one of the last step in a for representing your image. So the mathematical morphology is used to represent the description of the particular region shapes. So for mathematical morphology we can use the set theory. So suppose if you take the any binary image, the binary image is a set of elements is consists of zeros and ones. Suppose the binary image we can represent it in a 2D space. So we can represent as a z square where the each element x comma y is in a coordinates and either it consists of black or either white. Because it is in a binary image we can consist of either 0 or 1. So means it is either white or black in a pixel. So then these are the some basic concepts used in a set theory for image processing. Suppose if you take the set A is consists of two elements A1 and A2. So is in a then we can write A is belongs to A. Okay, so if A equal to A1 A2 is an element of A, then we can written as A belongs to A. So A is not belongs to the particular element A, set A, then we can represent A does not belongs to A, means the A element is does not belongs to the set A. The set with no elements we can call as an empty set, or the null set we can represent the symbol like a phi. So if the element of this set A is also an element of another set B. Okay, suppose if you take the one element A, so the element is in a set A, the same element is also there in a another set is B, then is called to, so a subset of the B, we can represent a subset of B. Then we can use the another operation is a union. So the union of two sets is nothing but a combination of the two elements, two sets A and B. Suppose A is a one set and B is another set, we can combine all these elements as a union B. I can represent as a C equal to A union B. Then intersection. The intersection is nothing but it is a common elements from the set A and set B. So we can represent as a D equal to A intersection B. So then if the two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets or mutual exclusion if A intersection B equal to pi. Means if when you say that the sets are the disjoint sets is a different sets when A intersection B is a phi. Then these are another operations we can use the morphological operations in our image processing. One is a complement. So complement of set A is a set of elements not in A. So then we can represent the A complement equal to W such that W does not belongs to the A. So difference of the two sets A and B is calculated as a by using this formula W such that W belongs to A and W does not belongs to the B. So we can also recognize as the same formula A intersection B complement. So means A minus B, the A difference B we can represent as a intersection B complement. So all these are the well-known operations like what you can call as a union, intersection, disjoint set, subset and complement and different. So in image processing we can learn another two different operations is called as a reflection and a translation. So the reflection B is a simply we can call as a mirror image of an element. Suppose if we can take the one image, so the mirror image we can call as a reflection. So the reflection we can calculate the B. So the B is a W, okay, W such that W equal to minus B. The for all B belongs to the B. So it is in a mathematical notation for the reflection. So next one is a translation. It is in another operation we can use the morphological image processing. So it's simply if you take the one point Z1, Z2. So it is represented as a of z. So a of z is nothing but a set a. We can try to calculate the translation is denoted as a of z. The c such that c equal to a plus z. Therefore all a, small a belongs to the a. So simply we can call as an a. So we try to add the some elements to the set. So now we can see some examples for the morphological image processing. So we can take this as a two sets A and B. We can call it as two structural elements. A and B are the two structural elements. Suppose if you want to calculate the A union B. So this is in a total A union B. So the black is filled with A union B. So A intersection B, this part. So this part we can treat it as a intersection B. Then come to the next one is a complement. So this is an A complement. So suppose total, this is in a total A value. The A values are removed from the space. So next one is a minus B. We try to calculate the difference. So the difference we can keep the elements of the A only. Okay, all the elements of B's does not belongs to the set. So it is an example for the A union B, intersection, complement and difference. So next, this is an operation of the translation and reflection. So the reflection we can represent as a B cap. Suppose we can take this point here. So it is a mirror image of this particular B. So A translation. So A of Z. So this is in a Z point is a Z1 and Z2 is added to your set C. Okay. So we can calculate the particular translation by using this formula. So A of Z is represented as a like this. So next we can also use some logical operations on your binary images. So we already know that the logical operations are AND, OR, NOT and complement. We can call as a complement. So apart from this we can use the exclusive OR and NAND and not AND. We can call as a not AND. So logical operations are just a private case of the binary set operations such as a AND is an intersection, OR is a union and not is a complement. So we can see the binary images. If you take the 0 0, then the A and Q. So and P or Q and not P. So we can calculate the 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 for the binary elements. If you are 0 0, the result of the A and B or P and Q are 0 and R also 0 and not is a quite inverse, means 0 means 1 and 1 means 0. So if your input is 0 1, then N value is 0 and R value is 1 and not value is 1. So if input is 1 0, then N value is 0 and R value is 1. And suppose if you take the P value is 1 and the not value is 0. Suppose it is 1 1. So intersection of 1 1 or end of 1 1 is 1 and R value is 1 and so not value is automatically 0. So we can see the particular images here. So in these images we can take the A and B. So suppose we can calculate the A and B. So this is an A element, it is an B element. So we can calculate the A and B. So A and B is nothing but it is a simply intersection of the two images. So R and total of A and B. Then exclusive R. So this part, this white part, then remaining all the black part and only this part is corner part and intersection of part is called as an exclusive R and not AND. So it is not of A and not of B. So this is an example for we can apply the image processing on images of the binary images or logical operations. Then come to the main morphological operations in image processing is a dilution and a erosion. So these are the two main operations we can use the image processing. Then dilution and erosion operations we can simply perform the reflection and translation and translation reflection. Suppose first we can see the dilution operation. So when you perform the dilution operation, it try to expand the element of A. by using the we can use this some structural element. So it is in a formula, it is a mathematical formula we can use for the dilution operation. So a circle plus and b equal to z subset of. So first we have to calculate the reflection for the b, then we try to calculate the translation. First we try to calculate the reflection for the b element, and then we try to calculate the translation. Then result will be intersect with the a, then the total result become not a infinity value, then it is perform the dilution operation. It is an equation for the dilution operation. So based on this equation we can first we can apply obtain the reflection of the b about the particular structural element, then we try to apply the translation on the by using a z. The dilution of a by b set on the all displacements of z such that b cap is nothing but a reflection and a overlap by at least one element, so that's why the result does not belongs to empty set, is not an empty set. So based on the interception we can try to give the equation this one. So a dilution b equal to z such that b reflection, then we try to apply the transformation intersection a is such that a. So it is in a final equation of the dilution operation. So we can see the example for the dilution operation. So here a is in one element, one set, and the b is in a structural element, it is in a square type. Okay, now we can apply the dilution operation on the a. So simply first we can apply the dilution operation on a, we can get this value. So it is in a original image, so d by 8 value is extended from the set a. In set a is consists of only d, but according to the dilution operation, if I perform the dilution operation, it try to expand some data. Okay, so here in this image we can identify the expanded image. So this is a dotted lines is a original image, and we have a border. The border is consists of d by 8. The d by 8 is an expand on all sides, top, bottom, left and right. So then we can see the another example on the text only. Suppose we can take this text. So in this text we can take the EA. So EA we can try to apply this structural element like a 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So now the element is the particular EA will be darker like this. Okay, so here 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0 is in a structural element. So we can apply the structural element on the particular text EA. So this is in a value. So okay, so simply it expand the boundaries of an image. So the dilution operation is simply expand your image. So next one is erosion operation. So erosion operation is perform a shrinking of, and we try to reduce the size of an image without changing the original details. So suppose we can apply the erosion operation on the particular image, we try to shrink the element by using some structural element b. So here a is in a set and b is in a structural element. So here we can give this mathematical equation a erosion with b. So we can apply the z. So z such that first we try to apply the b of z. The b of z is we try to apply the translation. It is a subset of the a. The equation indicates that erosion of a by b, it is a set of all points z such that b translated by the z is a combined with the a. So we can see this example. So in this example we can take the a is in one set element, so b is in a structural element. Now the b structural element we can run on the a set, then this is an output. So in output d by 8 size will be the sinking. Okay, so this is in a border line, the dotted lines are the border line, so it is in a original image, but so it try to sync the d by 8 size. Okay, in dilution, so we can see the dilution. So dilution in example we try to expand your image, so based on your structural element, but in erosion it try to sinking the particular elements. So these are the main two operation we can apply the erosion and dilution operation in a binary images. So by using the reflection and translation. So now we can see the another example here. So suppose this is an A is in a set and D is in a, here the B is in a structural element. We can use this structural element on the run on the A. So the erosion of A B is a like this simple line. Okay, so now we can see the duality between the dilution and erosion. So the duality and erosion of the dilution and erosion, so with respect of the set complement, so we can give this mathematical equation. So this is a so simply erosion with B complement so is equal to A complement dilution with B reflection. Okay, so this is the duality between the dilution and erosion. One of the simplest use of the erosion for the eliminating the irrelated details in a binary images. So the main advantage of the erosion is so we try to eliminating the irrelative details, and dilution is try to give the foreground pixel equivalent to the eroding the background pixels. Okay, so next we can see the other two operations we can call as an opening and closing. So the opening is used to smoothing the counters and eliminate the protectors. So the opening is somewhat like an erosion operation. It tends to remove the some foreground and bright pixels from the edges of the region. The effect of the operation is a preserve the foreground regions that have similar to the shape to the structural element, or that can be completely contain the structural element while eliminating the all other regions and foreground details. So simply this is a mathematical equation of the opening operation. So A opening B is A. So we try to perform a erosion operation between the A and B. So the resultant will be so the resultant will be with a dilution with the B. So first we can perform the erosion, then we try to perform a dilution. So it is an opening operation. So this is an opening operation example. So A is in a structural element, the B is in a simply round shape structural element. So we try to run this structural element on the A. We try to run the structural element on the A. So this is in a first we try to perform the erosion operation. So after erosion we can get the this set. So after erosion we try to perform the dilution. So means it is an opening operation. First we try to perform the erosion operation, then we try to perform the dilution operation. So in this A element we try to run this particular circular structural element. So this is in a final one is a so the resultant output of the binary image. So the next one is a closing operation. So the closing is a smooth the selection of the counters and fuses the narrow breaks and long gloves and eliminate the small holes and fill the gaps in the counters. The effect of the operation is to preserve the background regions that have similar to the shape to the structural element, or that can be completely contains the structural element while eliminating the all other regions of the background regions. So simply it is in a counterfeit, means simply reverse operation of the opening. Closing is a reverse operation of the closing. So here first we try to perform the dilution operation, then we perform the erosion operations. So then we can see the example for the dilution and closing operation. First we try to perform the dilution operation, then we try to perform the erosion operation. Okay, so we can apply the same A set and B is a circle. So then first we try to apply the dilution operation, then we try to perform the erosion operation, then the final result is a closing operation. Okay, so now we can see the one example like a fingerprints. We can take the opening operation and a closing operation on this particular fingerprint. So first figure we can see the original image, and we try to apply the one structural element. It consists of all ones. It is a 3x3 matrix. So then we try to perform a first erosion, then opening of erosion. Tarvata we try to perform the opening of A, means you try to perform the dilution operation, then dilution operation, then we try to perform the erosion operation. We can call as a closing operation. Okay. So next important operation is a hit or miss transformation. So it is a morphological tool for the shape detection. So let we can take the original shape of the located in the center of gravity. So first we try to calculate the if you take the one image, large image A, okay, let the local background of the x with respect to w defined as a set of difference w minus x, means we try to simply calculate the difference. So okay, so means the hit or miss transformation is used to, so we try to get the particular value is there in a set or not. Okay, so we can, this is an a star b is a hit or miss transformation. So first we try to perform a so erosion with b1 element. So we can take the two structural element b1 and b2. So the b1 is a x and b2 is a w minus x, means we try simply calculate the difference. Then we also try to calculate the a complement erosion with the b structural element b2. Then the result is a integrated with the another result a erosion with b1 integrated a complement erosion with b2. Then we can calculate the hit or miss transmission. So we can see this example. So here x, y, z. Okay, x, y, z, these are the three elements. Now w is in another element. So now we try to calculate the w minus x. We try to calculate the difference of the w minus x here. So this is an origin. So this is a border is called as a difference between w of minus x. Then we try to calculate the a complement. Then a erosion with x. So next a complement erosion with w minus x, a complement erosion with w minus x. Then finally we get this dot. So it is a hit the transmission, or if the value is empty, then we can call it a miss the transmission. So this is another mathematical morphological algorithms. We can use the image processing, boundary extraction, region filling, extraction of the connected components, convex hull, thinning, thickening, and skeletoning. So all these are the some basic morphological algorithms. So every algorithm has one particular equation. Based on the mathematical equation, we can calculate the everything. So it's calculate the boundary extraction of the particular boundary. Okay, suppose this is an A, it is in a B is a structural element. You run this particular B in a, so on the set A. So we try to calculate the boundary extraction A difference between the A erosion with the B. So we can see this example. So it is an original image. So after extracting the boundaries, it's a thin line. So it is in a boundary of the particular person. So next one is a region filling. So we try to fill the regions. So it is a dilution, complementing, and intersection based operation. So we can use the x0, x1, x2, x3 different operations. So by using this mathematical formula, we try to calculate the region filling operations. So then next one is a convex hull. A is said to be a convex hull if is a straight line segment joint of any 2 points lies in a entire within A. The convex hull X of the set S is the smallest convex set contents of S. So the convex deficiency is a set difference H minus S. So it is useful for the object description. So this is an mathematical equation for the convex hull. So xik equal to k minus 1. So we try to hit or miss transformation with the bi. So I is nothing but here the bi is we can take the 16 structural element. So the result will be union with the A. So we can see this example b1, b2, b3, b4 are the 4 structural element. One is a topmost, leftmost, rightmost, and bottom. So this is an original image. We try to apply the b1, b2, b3, b4 on this particular image. So the finally we get this convex hull. So thinning. The thinning is a set for if you want to apply the thinning operation on the A by structural element the B, we can define this equation. So A thinning, A minus A hit or miss transmission. Okay, so we can use the n number of structural element B1, B2, B3. So thinning operation, and we can see this example for the thinning operation, and here we can use the 8 structural element and 1 residual element, so finally we get this thinning operation. Next one is a thickening operation, so it is also same like a thinning operation. And thickening is a separate algorithm for thickening used to particles instead of the usual procedure is to thin background of the set in a quotients then complement of the result. So is an example for the thickening operation. So next one is a skeleton. So we try to get the skeleton of the particular image. Okay, so we can use this formula mathematical equation S of A equal to union of K equal to K Sk of A. So Sk of A we can represent as A, so erosion with K into B. So and we can try to calculate the difference between the two these, and opening operation with the B. Okay, so now this is an example for the skeleton operation. So we can K value 0, 1, 2 is run, and we try to calculate all the values, and finally we get the result. So pruning operation, this is x1, x2, x4 are the we can calculate the all mathematical formulas. So this is an example for the pruning operation based on this mathematical equations. Okay, thank you very much.